Hi everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Today, my ladies, my gents, I am streaming right from my office, my inner room, my office. This is where all the confusion takes place. This is where all the action takes place, all the packaging, all the unboxing, everything, about Atomy, about Nickel Fashions. This is where everything happens. This is more like the machine room in my house, okay? I don't even want to turn the camera so you see how this place is. You don't want to see it. So, okay, I'm relaxing on my swing chair today and I'm doing my unboxing on my swing chair today. How about that? Okay, so let's go straight. If you're just joining me, it's your first time watching this channel, this is Nikki Beauty Health and this is Nikki Beauty and Health Products, okay, channel on YouTube. Here we showcase good plant-based organic products, okay? Products that are non-toxic, products that are herbal, products that are made from pure natural ingredients. I mean, we cannot go wrong. They are as good as the food you eat, no side effects and no long-term damage, okay? They are my go-to products, my must-have products, okay? So every time I do the unboxing here, just to showcase a few of our products, okay, for my amazing customers and anybody who cares to want to know more about Atomy products. I do get people who just come here literally to watch my product demos and to understand Atomy products better, okay, and how to use the product. So if you love our videos, why not click the like button, okay? And don't forget that magic word, all right? Subscribe. I'm glad you can see growth on the channel. We started with on this channel, we started with about 10 subscribers. We are well over 2,000 subscribers now within the space of a couple of months, and we're still growing, okay? Because I'm giving value here, okay? Teaching people how to use Atomy products, giving them product knowledge, product details, and everything. So invite your friends to come over, okay? Let's get to business. Okay, my first box. Oh, that's it. Well sealed. Okay, look at that. Well sealed. So we're going to open this, okay? I just wonder what is in here. Oh, my pillow. Don't fall now, my pillow. All right, let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Products I've been expecting, actually, I'm not sure because I've got two big boxes here. So let's see what is here. Anyways, if you're in the United Kingdom, happy sunny day. We're right here in the middle of summer and I am loving the weather so far, okay? The weather hasn't been disappointing, okay? A little rain here and there, a little drizzle here and there, but we still got the good weather, okay? Oh my God, guess what we have here? I've been waiting for this. Oh my God. One of my top sellers here in UK. In fact, all three of them is gone, just in case you want to order straight away, okay? But you can order. Connect with me on WhatsApp, okay? Connect with me on any of my social media channels. Reach out to me. I'll tell you how to get this delivered to your door right from the manufacturers. Don't go to third-party sites, okay? Because you get them at more expensive prices, okay? These people buy from us and they put it out there on third-party sites and double the price, triple the price, and you people still go there to buy. People come to me and say, oh, I bought this so and so amount and look at the price you're giving me. I said, well, I'm a distributor, one of the pioneer distributors with the company, so I have to give you distributor's price, manufacturer's price, okay? But when you go to third-party sites, you want to cut corners like, oh, I can get it here, oh, I can get it here. Be my guest. Go get it there at double or triple the price, okay? So please feel free. I'm tired of people asking me and saying, oh, but it's more expensive. I bought it double the price at blah, blah, blah. Well, it's your call, all right? This is where we give you the real original manufacturer's price, okay? So come to us, all right, if you want to get this product, okay? Look at it. Atomy Inner Collagen, all right? I'm gonna do a brief video. I haven't done collagen on this channel for some reason, and this is one of my top sellers, you know. And maybe it's because it's a top seller, that's why I don't think I feel the need to do any product demo. Anyways, this is collagen, okay? Very good for our connective tissues, to connect our muscles, you know, for muscle elasticity, firmness, you know. This is what a lot of celebrities use them, okay? Because when you're getting to a certain age, like you're in your late 30s, our body's ability to synthesize collagen starts going down, okay? That's why you see when you're going to get into 40, 50, 60, 70, what happens? Your skin begins to sag. And those wrinkles begin to come out, okay? So if you want to be 70, you want to be 80, and you want to look 40, you want to look even 30, my dear, please make sure you are taking your collagen. And I like the Atomy Inner Collagen because this is made from fish peptides, okay? And it's liquid, okay? The liquid gets absorbed quickly and easily into the body, unlike the capsule. Some you get in the capsule form and all that. Those take longer to absorb into your body, but once you take this, it goes straight into your body. It's liquid, okay? So I have been using this for a couple of months now, and I'm loving it. I recommended it to a lot of my friends, my family members, my colleagues at work, and they are loving it, okay? Trust me, all three of this is gone, okay? They're gone. People have been waiting for this to arrive, and now that they've arrived, trust me, they are gone, okay? But if you want this, okay, I'm going to do a special demo. Don't worry, it's coming. Trust me, I kid you not. I'm going to do a proper demo on this. It's coming, all right? And then if you want it, please feel free. Send me a DM. Connect with me on WhatsApp or on any of my social media links, okay? I'm talking too fast. I need to slow down in it. All right, so connect with me on any of my social media networks, okay? And I will tell you how you will get this at the manufacturer's price. Please don't go and buy triple, double, quadruple the price on third-party sites. Come on, you don't need that, okay? So feel free to DM me, all right? And yeah, that's for this one, okay? It's collagen, Atomy Inner Collagen. I've got a bigger box. Let's see what it's in. This pillow just keeps I'm trying to stay afloat on this. You know, it's a swing chair, so it's just swinging me around. So I'm just trying to stay afloat. Oh my God, I'm trying to stay afloat. Now let's try and get the next one. Where's my scissors? Oh God. Can you see what I'm saying? It's just swinging me all up and down. Oh, I think it's warning me not to use. It's telling me don't you dare use this chair next time. It's telling me don't you dare use this chair next time. Okay, I hear you. Next time I'm not gonna try this. Unless obviously if I'm just giving a talk. If I'm giving a talk, yes. But not when I'm pulling boxes up and down. So this is my next box, people. All right. My chair is swinging me to the wrong. Oh my God, it's just swinging me up and down now. All right, so this is it. But it's so comfortable, okay? I'm so comfortable. Unlike sometimes when I sit on the chair, you know, proper chair, my back hurts sometimes, you know, especially when you're doing a series of videos, series of shootings, you know, you're doing some posts and recordings, and oh gosh, my back really hurts sometimes. So self-preservation matters, you know, in these things. You got to preserve yourself, you know. So yeah, this chair is more comfortable and more relaxed, as you can see. Do the job, enjoy the job while you're swinging on a lovely chair. So this is nice. I love it. I love it. Swinging me around. Come on, swing me back now. Please swing me back. Yeah, that's it. Swing me back. I like this. Swing me back. Swing me back. I've got more collagen, more Atomy Inner Collagen in here. Okay? Oh my gosh, this is lovely. One of my top sellers. This is all gone because I'm supposed to send 2 to a friend today, and them 3 is already gone as well. So, but if you want it, just like this, I can get it for you at manufacturer's price. You don't need to go to third-party sites and buy double, triple, quadruple the price, you know. Come, let's give you at manufacturer's price, okay? And then my God. I've got this is another one. I have to come do demo for all my coffees, okay? Atomy makes the best coffee in the world, okay? Made from 100% cafe Arabica, okay? It's the Arabica beans. That's the word I'm looking for. 100% Arabica beans, you know, and it's amazing. This is the 0 one with no sugar, So this is good for vegan, diabetics, you know, and so on and so forth. Weight Watchers, you want to go for this, okay? 0 sugar, okay? Atomy Cafe Arabica, 0 sugar, okay? 100 sticks here, 100. Quite good value for money, all right? And we've got the one with the sugar, obviously, the normal one. They call them ones original, isn't it? Yeah, the normal one with sugar. We've got that as well. I like that one. I'm not into 0, but yeah, I take all of it. It depends on my mood. I've got the 0, I've got the normal one. So depending on my mood and, you know, taste, you know, I can decide which one I want, okay? But because I'm not diabetic, I'm not vegan, you know, I just go for the one with the sugar. But this is 0 sugar. You can see it. I don't know if you can see on the screen where it says 0 sugar somewhere there. See? So you don't think I'm lying? That's 0 sugar, okay? So feel free. Atomy makes the best coffee. Trust me. You know, this is 100 sticks in here. All right? So if you want any of the products, this product here, or any of the other products I've been putting, please scroll down. You see I've done a lot of product demos. If you want any of our products, feel free to send me a DM, connect with me on WhatsApp. I always leave my number. I always leave my social media links where you can connect with me. Send me a DM, okay? And I will tell you how you can get this delivered to your door at the manufacturer's price. Please don't go to third-party sites. You will buy this double the price, triple the price, quadruple the price. I kid you not, okay? Because I've got people coming back to tell me, oh, I bought this twice or 3 times the price at this. I don't want to call names, but you know, when I say third-party sites, no. Come to the pioneer distributors. We are the pioneer distributors of Atomy products here in the United Kingdom, okay? I don't like people telling me, oh, I went to buy it, double the price, triple. No. Come, let us show you how you can get it delivered straight to your door from the manufacturers. You will see it yourself, okay? It's just a free online registration, okay, into the website, okay? All I'm going to give you is a sponsor ID, and that sponsor ID is what connects your purchase to me, so the company can reward me as a distributor. That's all. That's all. But you are buying directly from the manufacturer, directly from their website, okay, at 0 registration cost. You just register and then you can go buy. When you need to make a repeat purchase, you don't need to come to me. You just log into your account online and you make a repeat purchase, and so on and so forth. You're happy, I'm happy, manufacturer's happy, everybody happy. Okay, until I see you in my next video, take care, stay out of trouble, and God bless.